Hello, friends. I'm Reverend Kyra, and I'm here to invite you to join in the hero's journey. This is a time in our planet and in our lives as we are expanding the awareness of who we truly are, what our divine essence is, and what is calling us to know ourselves even more and live as the heroes and heroines of our own lives. It means we face the inner dragons. We face the demons within us that would keep us believing we are less than the truth of who we are, and be invited to find the true spiritual principles upon which we stand and are able to traverse everyday life and the world and the circumstances of life in ways that not only become an inspiration to ourselves and demonstrate our own courage and strength and ability to resource the one source, the source of the infinite, but also become an inspiration in life. And our lives begin to flow in a different way when we follow the hero or heroine's journey in our own path, that we become that which we have always looked up to and admired. And the truth is, anything we've admired in another is already a path in our own way, in our own self. But we may have to release along the way. We may have to release some of those places where we've carried subconscious beliefs, where we have maybe not even realized we have ways of believing, fears, we have doubts, we have withholdings that keep us stuck in the journey. And when we face ourselves in the moment of courage, we find that we must release what we've held on to become who we're here to be. So I hope you'll join us. We have a fabulous Sunday that is going to be a celebration with our youth and so much more. And you can find us on Unity Bay Area, Houston, and live stream us at 10:30 a.m. Central Time on Sunday, or join us in person at 1911 Highway 3 South in League City, Texas. But whatever you do, notice the ways that you feel strengthened, empowered, when you take a stance for yourself, when you get clear about your own intentions and stay in integrity and truth with yourself. And in doing so, you rise into a higher version of who you've known yourself to be. We're meant to be an inspiration to ourselves. We're meant to live in that hero or heroine understanding of ourselves every single day. And as a result, we truly are the inspiration in the world. So I hope you'll come out and join us. Check out all the things we have happening at Unity Bay Area, Houston, at our website or on our Facebook. And certainly, please consider subscribing, liking our videos. And thank you if you've touched the bell and gotten notifications of our upcoming videos. We're so grateful for each and every one of you that connect in with us so many ways, because we know we are eternally one and interconnected. And we bless this earth and all of her creatures and every being who walks upon her face. And we're grateful you're here as a part of us right now in this moment. Bless you, friends. Have a blessed week.